Discover in this video how our smart tagging system can assist you in locating your items with ease. Start by logging into your urBin account. Afterward, find Items in the navigation bar and click on it. Select the Tags input field. For instance, if you're searching for your bins, you can either type the word or simply choose the Boxes and Bins option. Our system will now display the number of bins you have stored with us. You also have the option to type a specific tag that you set up before. Type in your specific tag, select it from our system, and the items tagged with that name will appear. Click on the ID to review your item. You're all set and ready to go. You now understand how to find your items with our smart tag system.